Hi guys, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you is our April kit reveals. As you know, Treasure Lee has 3 monthly kits, a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. Well, today we're going to be revealing those kits for you as it is reveal day over on our website. So make sure you stop over and visit at www.treasureleekits.com. And while you're here, why don't you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to comment and like, and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload a brand new video. Our design team works with our kits and uploads videos to show you how to use our kits, so we don't want you to miss out. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and jump into our reveals, and we're starting off with our scrapbook kit. All right, our scrapbook kit is $52. That includes shipping, and that is your subscription price. If you subscribe, we just ask that you subscribe for 6 months, and it'll continue on after that until you tell us when to cancel it. So for April, we've got a 49 and Market takeover. Just about everything in our kit is from 49 and Market, and it's their brand new line. So if you haven't seen it, you'll be first to see it here. But we're going to start with the embellishments. And if you don't know, Treasure Lee Kit Club also does their own laser cut chipboard. And this is the frame that we've cut for the kit this month. So you'll be getting that. You will also be getting this fun little piece. You can alter this, or you can take it apart and use it on your scrapbook kit, on your layout. But this is chalkboard. That's the word I was looking for. You're also going to get a mini distress ink in dried marigold. And if you don't know, at Treasure Lee Kit Club, we love flowers. So you're going to get lots of flowers in the kit. First off, you're going to get the 49 and Market Enchanted Petals, and you're going to get 7 pieces. Then you're going to get Majestic Blooms. These are also from 49 and Market, and there's 7 pieces in here. The first color was Mint. This color is called Mango. And then the last one, you're going to get the Garden Petals. There's 12 pieces in here, and this is in parchment. Again, also from 49 and Market. And there will also be a list of all the kit contents on our website. So again, don't forget to head over there at www.treasureleekits.com. Next up, you're going to get the laser cut embellishments. 49 and Market no longer includes these in their paper kits, so they're a separate purchase now. And I believe you get more. You get like 80 pieces in here now. We're going to open this up together. And this line is called Avesta. This is their new art options line, just released. Okay, and so now you're going to have 4 sheets with all these die cuts to use. Oh, it's folded in half. Okay. So basically you get the 2 12 by 12 sheets that you got before. They've just now cut it in half, I guess, for packaging. So you're going to get that one. And you're going to get this one. But also on the back of your insert, you're going to get more couple of pieces that you can cut out. So that's included in your kit. And now let's get into the paper. You're now going to get 8 sheets of paper in the pack. They are double-sided, just like 49 and Market always has been. They've always had beautiful papers. And also on the back, you're going to get some more cutouts. If you love fussy cutting, then this is a fussy cutter's dream. But let's go ahead and look at the papers. I love these combination of peaches and greens for the spring. And this kind of looks like a watercolor on here as well. So that's your first sheet. Here's your second sheet. These are just beautiful papers. There we go. And I love just all the fun graphics that are on here. And I love that the B side you get a solid sheet. The only problem is the B side is on the side of sheet of an A sheet that you love. You're just going to have to get some extra papers. I love this butterflies on here. Very pretty. Here's your solid sheet. Another sheet. And last but not least, and this is fun, you've got like this frame if you like to fussy cut it, or if you just want to use it as your main focal point and then build out from there. And then that's the back side. So this has been the April scrapbook kit, our 49 and Market takeover, but we're not done yet. We've got 2 more kits to reveal, and that's also going to be a little bit of a 49 and Market takeover. So we'll be right back with the next kit. Next up, we have our cards, tags, and more kit. And again, this is another 49 and Market takeover. If you don't know, they are now releasing card kits with envelopes. So we figured we would try this out, but we added some extra stuff to it. So first off, you're going to get some pixie petals. There's 18 pieces in here. These are from 49 and Market. You're also going to get some chipboard corners, and these were cut for the kit from Treasure Lee's. Visit our website at www.treasureleekits.com and go to Chipboards, and you'll be able to find this set under Swirls and Scrolls. I believe that's where it is. Now for our card kit is $40. I'm sorry. Yes, $42. I'm sorry. And that does include your shipping. And you're also going to get this bag of tags. Tags are always really nice to use on cards. So you're going to get this full bag of tags. There's 18 tags with the strings included in here, and they coordinate with the papers or with the card kit. And now let's see what's in the card kit. You've got this huge card kit set. You've got enough to make 8 cards. It also comes with envelopes that are pre-cut for you as well. And there's more in here. So you're going to have these little round stickers. There's 8 of those. You're going to have a pack of sentiments. These are rub-ons. Rub-ons are making a big comeback. So we're going to open these up. And you're going to have 2 sets of rub-ons. You're going to have this set with the sentiment, and then this set with flowers as a background. So that's what you're getting with your rub-ons, of course, with the little stick. And then you're going to have your envelope templates. They've already been cut out for you and scored. All you have to do is fold them and put the adhesive on them. I love having envelopes pre-done, because I'm making cards and then it's like, oh geez, now I need an envelope to fit it. And where do I find an envelope to fit it? You don't have to worry about that now because you've got the envelopes. And then you get the bases for your cards. Again, you get 2 of each design. So you've got 8 cards here, and plus you've got all these other embellishments to go ahead and customize your cards with. The insides are white and blank, except I just put dirty fingerprints on that. So this is going to be your card kit. And I can't wait to see all the beautiful cards that are made. And like I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell down below so you can see what our design team creates with this. And again, don't forget to comment, like this video, and comment as well. Next up, we're going to bring you our mixed media. For this month, our mixed media kit is a little bit different. Normally we have a project in here, but I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. You can see a little better. This month, our project is a little bit different. We've got something new. It's new to me as well, so we're all going to have fun together playing with it. First up is you've got some gel press plates in here. These are 3.5 by 5 to start out with, and it's gel plate. And we're going to show you how to design some of your own paper, your own backgrounds with the gel plates. And to go along with that, you've got a nice little brayer. And then gel plates are typically used with paints and acrylics, acrylic paints, but you can use them with sprays. So we've included, first of all, we've given you a little bit of acrylic paint, giving you a white, and then we've got some of the gloss sprays from Dina Wakley, and you've got lime, you've got fuchsia, you've got lemon yellow, and then you've got tangerine. To me, these are nice spring colors as well, and actually they go with our scrapbook kit. But we're going to show you how to play with these, how to create your own backgrounds and your own designs. And make sure, again, I can't say it enough, that you hit the subscribe button and that you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when the video goes up. This is our mixed media kit. This is $47 and it includes shipping. And our designers will be working with this. They will show you how to use these. I'll probably pop in and do a video and we can learn together, seeing how I've never used them. So this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club, revealing all of our April kits. Remember, you can subscribe to one kit, or you can subscribe to all three, or any combination. Just visit our website at www.treasureleekits.com. and check out our blog for projects, check out our our project gallery, and then check out the store. You can find our chipboard there. You can find these kits there. You can also find the list of contents that is in each kit. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again. Bye.